I've got my anchor in the Master, where I find refuge for my soul. I cast my prayer upon the water. I've dropped my anchor in my Lord. Storms are gathering, souls are drifting, life's uncertain, death is sure. Oh, that I'm not worried about storms gathering. I